What's up, bullish friends? Hope you're having a great day out there today. And really exciting news today is that Vaporfi Nodes has officially opened their Vapordex. I think they did this a couple days ago. It might have been yesterday morning. I can't exactly remember, but I didn't get a chance to film this as soon as it came out. But it's officially open now to everyone. Now, like a week ago, they let all their beta testers come in who were the 500,000 plus VPND wallets in the system. They let everyone come in, test it out, see what they thought, see how it was working, and worked out any of the bugs during that process. Now it's open, and to use this, you just go over to your Vaporfi Nodes, to the website, connect your wallet, and then go into Vapordex right here on top. Now, when you go into Vapordex, if it's the first time you do this, you'll have to connect your wallet to it. And then once you connect your wallet, you'll have to approve in your MetaMask and all that. So just follow the prompts. It's real easy to do. But then Vapordex looks like this. Now, here's what is really awesome about this. So there's several things. First off, you can bridge fiat currency in this system. So you can bridge it and you can buy, it looks all kinds of different coins here. So I don't know how many is offered here, but it looks like they're going through Mercurio. So it looks like you're going to be able to get all kinds of different coins in here. So whatever you want to do, you can put in your cash, credit card, Apple Pay, I think, and Google Pay. And you can use fiat to go ahead and buy crypto right through here. So that's awesome. That makes life easier. And they also have a bridge, which the bridge will allow you to move coins from chain to chain. So no more having to move from like large centralized exchanges over to your wallets. Now, I mean, other places have a bridge, but I'm just saying with Vaporfi, you can now do this here. So you can bridge tokens right in here. And you can swap tokens. So you can swap, for instance, like right here, AVAX for USDC, or basically whatever they have in here that you want to swap. So you want to swap, in your chain, you can do all that stuff in here. So all that. And then let's take a look here at the liquidity pools. So these are cool. You can come over here. You can provide liquidity. You can join any of the liquidity pools that are already on here. People have made a bunch of these. There's a Trader Joe and AVAX liquidity pool, Joe and USDCE. You can go through all these and look, or you can make your own. So you can create, select, as long as they're valid pairs, you can create a liquidity pool and start providing liquidity, and at the same time earning rewards percent on the pool that you are, where you're providing cash here. Now, another thing that you want to do, and I haven't done this yet, so hopefully this works when I do this live here. There's a reward and stats area down here, and click the Stratosphere link. And once you come over here, this is basically the Vaporfi loyalty program. So what they're looking to do here is give us points, like loyalty points. It's like a loyalty system for using their DEX. So coming over here and just doing normal things like getting in the liquidity pools, swapping coins, buying your crypto from here. Whatever you do, it's going to earn you points. And they say on here that the plan benefits, as a Stratosphere member, you will gain instant and free access to member benefits as they're deployed. You get instant discounts, fee refunds, stacking boosters, reduced lock and cooldowns, and so much more. I don't know what everything here does. I'd have to dig into it a little bit more, but I do like the fact they're already doing a rewards program. It basically incentivizes people to come over here and use this Vapordex rather than use another DEX out there in the market. It also says level up for more boost and enhanced rewards. Take the points you earn from around the ecosystem and put them to work for you. Level up your membership to seriously boost your benefits and rewards. Flex your points and climb our community leaderboards. Hoard and accumulate your points to use in upcoming gamified rewards pools only available to members. And get access to whitelist airdrops and other perks with our partners. So all of this stuff is pretty cool. I want to see how it works more so I can give you guys more details later, but I'm going to go ahead and pre-enroll. Okay, let's see, add Let's do mint new membership. And make me approve all this. Confirm. And it should be something that happens relatively quick here. So let's see what happens. Oh, there we go. And cool. Congratulations, NFT minted. Oh, that's cool. Okay. It's the reward system is run. It's an NFT. That's cool. So there's that. I am now entered into the rewards program. I suggest you guys do this as well. But yeah, I'm going to play around with this a little more. I just wanted to make this announcement today to just show you guys what's going on. I'm going to play with some of the features in here. I'll probably do some, I might jump into some of the liquidity pools, or I might, at least I want to come on here and I want to try to bridge some coins just to see how everything works in the bridge. Because this is cool. I mean, like, you know, if I need something to swap over from one chain to another, which I have to do this all the time, this would be nice to be able to come in here, swap VPND for, like, let's say like BNB or BUSD for some of the other programs that I'm in, some of the other protocols online. So yeah, like here you can swap over into Binance, into BNB. That's freaking awesome. So anyway, this is exciting news. That's all I've got for this video. I'm going to play around with this some more, but I wanted to let you guys know that if you're into Vapor nodes, Vaporfi nodes, make sure to check this out. And yeah, stay tuned for more updates. And guys, if you enjoyed the video, like and subscribe, and I will see you guys in the next one.